Question 371. The 3 to 5 prime phosphodiester bond in DNA links. Right answer is option B, two nucleotides with each other. Question 3 to 7. Semi-conservative replication of DNA means. Right answer is option B, one parental and one new strand. Question 373. A nonsense mutation results in. Right answer is option C, premature stop codon. Question 374. Linkage reduces recombination frequency because genes are. Right answer is option B, present on same chromosomes. Question 375. In exotype sex determination, males are. Right answer is option C. Question 376. Triploblastic animal first appears in. Right answer is option C. Phylum Platyhelminthes. Question 377. Pseudocoelom is characteristic of. Right answer is option B. Nematoda. Question 378. The larval form common to many echinoderms is. Right answer is option C. Bipinaria larva. Question 379. Endostyle of urocardate is homologous to vertebrate. Right answer is option B. Homologous to vertebrate thyroid gland. Question 380. Double circulation first becomes complete in. Right answer is option C, in birds. Question 381. Metanephric kidney is functional in. Right answer is option C, in adult mammal. Question 382. The hepatic portal vein carries blood rich in. Right answer is option C, rich in nutrients. Question 383. The chloride shift facilitate transport of. Right answer is option B, bicarbonate ions. Question 384. In muscle contraction, calcium ion binds to. Right, right answer is option C, troponin. Question 385. Enzyme specificity is primarily due to. Right answer is option C, active site structure. Question 386. In chick embryo, cleavage is. Right answer is option C, meroblastic discoidal type. Question 387. In frog, the blastocele is located mainly in. Right answer is option B, in animal hemisphere. Question 388. Placenta in mammals is primarily concerned with. Right answer is option B, gas and nutrient exchange. Question 389. Neo Darwinism combines natural selection with. Right answer is option C, Mendelian genetics. Question 390. Convergent evolution results in. Right answer is option B, analogous organs. Question 391. Genetic equilibrium in Hardy-Weinberg population requires absence of. Right answer is option C, mutation. Question 392. Adaptive radiation is best exemplified by. Right answer is option C, Darwin finches. Question 393. Freshwater fish maintain osmotic balance by. Right answer is option C, by actively uptake of salts. Question 394, saltatory conduction occurs at. Right answer is option B, nodes of Renvier. Question 395, resting membrane potential is mainly maintained by. Right answer is option A, sodium pump. Question 396, homeostatic control of body temperature in mammals involve. Right answer is option A, hypothalamus. Question 397, a decrease in pH indicates. Right answer is option B, increase in H plus sign. Question 389, ketogenesis occurs mainly in. Right answer is option B, in liver mitochondria. Question 399, vitamin D deficiency leads to. Right answer is option C, rickets. Question 400, aberrations are proposed by Hugo de Vries refers to. Right answer is option B, sudden heritable changes.